Do you know what this is? This is coconut, toasted coconut. For the flavor to come out very well, you need to toast your coconut. So I'm going to be doing coconut cake today. So my coconut is toasted. I have 2 cups of toasted coconut flakes. So I have here my sugar. I'm using white sugar, but you can as well use a brown sugar so that your color will come out very well. So I'm using a white sugar, and I have here 750 gram of sugar. I have here my flour. I have sifted. You need to sift your flour very well. So my flour is sifted, and that's a kilo and 200 gram. A kilo and 200 gram. I have here 16 eggs. Um, I have my butter. I have 500 gram of butter. I have the white one and the milk one. This got finished, so I just bought this in the supermarket. So I use butter, not margarine. And to get it, I have 300 gram of sunflower oil. I have here 3 teaspoons of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, sea salt, you can use any salt, and I have caramel here. I have 246 gram of caramel, and I have my coconut flavor. So I have here oil, 300 gram of oil. So let's get into it. Let's mix it together. This is going to serve for 3 pans. 3 pans. So you can divide it if you are doing just 1 pan. Okay, let's get into it. So I have my milk here. You can as well use coconut milk, but I don't have coconut milk in the house, so I'm using my regular milk, and so I'm using 500 ml. So let's get into the mixing. So we're pouring in our butter. I'm going to and oil. I'm pouring in my sugar. And we're going to mix it together in very low. Mix it on your lowest speed. This might take you 15 to 20 minutes. But when it's well cooperated, I'm going to allow it to speed to your medium and leave it there to do its work. So I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients together, my soda and my baking powder. I'm adding in my nutmeg, 1 spoon. So I'm going to be mixing them together. So I'm pouring in my coconut flakes. So I'm going to mix them all together. I will be setting them aside. I'm going to be adding my salt. My salt is sea salt, so I need it to mix with it. So we're stopping. Now it's fluffy and white, ready. So we're going to be adding our eggs gradually. Don't dump your egg. Just add them gradually, let them mix together. On the lower speed. So we're pouring the next batch. So we're scraping. Make sure you scrape everything. You can see how fluffy your butter is. All your sugar is melted in. So we're going to add just one more batch before the last one. I still have one batch more. So we're adding the last batch in, and we allow it to incorporate together. So we're going to be adding our dry ingredients now. So I'll put them in. Make sure you are on the lowest speed. If you do baptism in the flour. We're not mixing for a longer time because we don't want it chewy. I'm going to be adding in my caramel. Add my liquid in. Pouring in my flavor. 1 teaspoon, 2, 3, 4. I'm mixing it together. Flour, my dry ingredients. Adding dry ingredients. Adding the last of my flour and my liquid, all combined. And scrape and scrape. Just mix for a minute more and we are done. We are good to go. So we are done. Put our mixer off. Remove. Wow. Scrape and scrape. So time to pour in our baking pan. You can do your measurements. Here I've already measured. I'm going 3 pan with this, and I'm breaking them one after the other. But if you're baking them together, you will have to do your measurements so that you will be able to they will be able to cook evenly. So I'm just going to smash it and allow it to go down. Just open the well in. We're ready to bake. So our cake is ready. This is how it looks like. We're having this, honestly, so moist. Just enjoy the measurements and you're going to get this. In case you just want to have just one of it, you can divide the measurement into 3 and you will get these results. Thank you so much for staying with us. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Love you. God bless you all. Bye.